Just kicking vibes, man. You know what I'm saying? Roll your blunt, kick your feet back, take your first class flight to Pluto off this shit. You understand? And I'm solo dolo.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Another one.
It's all of my eyes out in their eyes, you know what I'm saying? That's all we see, you know. Racky after racky. Sipping all this fucking drink, give me a heart attack. Know it's us when we pull up, our shit be back to back. Play with us, round of applause, you hear clap at the cloud. Crazy. Belt the ass out 25, we giving out the power. But on back to Gen 5, I slap nuts on the plow. Attach the pipe just like a dyke, pull up, whip out the scrap. Attach the pipe just like a dyke, pull up, whip out the ooh. Put my little bitch off for the night, I'm tryna make a move. It's me and bro, we tryna score, leave blood all on his jewels. It's kinda like we the nicest, them fuck niggas jewels. That drink, it hit me like a trank, I mixed the perk with shrooms. This morning I might hit the bank, some shit they never do. The headshot drop him like a fank, fuck nigga, meet your doom. Niggas reaching, hop out reaching till he reach the upper room. Niggas reaching, hop out reaching till he reach the fucking moon. Niggas thought that we could reach him, reached and touched his fucking tomb. So many OCs, I my OD, I'm up through the roof. Scozy, I'm the ghost, I'll make a nigga poof. A nigga say he touched the Scozy, what's the fucking proof? She asked me if I was a dog and I responded, woof. It's for you undercover niggas fucking out the booth. If you ain't get money, fucking bitches, nothing else to do. Oh Lord, crazy. Nah, insane. Yeah, that one.
Hey man, this shit going up. Go subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, the hook up, you hear me?